In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag someone in a Wrike post, whether you're collaborating on a project, assigning tasks, or simply keeping everyone updated. Tagging is a great way to ensure your colleagues don't miss important messages. So let's dive in and see exactly how it's done. First, you'll want to head over to Wrike. If you're already logged in, you should see your workspace with a listing of your tasks, projects, and folders. If not, take a moment to sign in and you'll soon be where you need to be. Navigating to Wrike is the first step because that's where we'll find everything we need for today's quick lesson. Once you're in the Wrike workspace, it's time to decide where you want to add your message. Locate and open the specific task, project, or folder you're working on. Wrike organizes everything neatly, so finding the item you need should be straightforward. Just a quick tip. If you manage a lot of projects or have several tasks open, it might help to use the search bar up top to locate anything in particular quickly. After opening your task, project, or folder, it's time to access the area where you'll write your message. This could be the comment section or perhaps the description field. Look to the panel on the right side of your screen when you've opened an item. You'll typically find these areas readily available there. It's important to note that these sections play a crucial role in communication within Wrike, acting as the main points where updates and discussions happen. Now here comes the tagging part. To tag someone, start by typing the @ symbol. This is a familiar punctuation mark that acts as your cue to begin mentioning someone, similar to social media platforms. Type the @ symbol and then immediately start typing the name of the person you want to tag. Wrike will automatically suggest names from your team as you type. You'll see a drop-down list appear, making it handy and convenient to locate and select the right person. With the name selected, you can compose the rest of your message. This could be an update, a question, or a reminder, whatever you deem necessary for the task at hand. Once satisfied with everything you've written, you have two choices. Either click the send button, if one is available, or simply press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will publish your comment tagging that individual, and they will receive a notification, bringing your message to their attention. And there you have it. You've successfully tagged someone in Wrike, ensuring your team stays informed and connected. Remember, effective communication can significantly streamline collaboration, reduce misunderstandings, and help keep everyone focused and on track. So be sure to use tagging where it makes the most impact in your projects. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.